Speaking of hungry, Will's not the only one hungry. New Jersey squirrels are also hungry. And here's one being caught stealing pizza after contactless delivery. So the way this works, Will, you know, with all the food apps and things, if you get a delivery, no one wants to interact with each other anymore. You pay on a credit card, obviously, and the thing just sits at your front door. Well, the squirrels figured that one out because squirrels are smart. Well, all rodents are smart. They figured out, oh, people are just leaving food on the doorstep. Yeah, that's probably going to be mine. I got a chance here. I'm going to have to be quick, but I have a chance here. So in this particular clip in New Jersey, you have 3 pizzas waiting to be retrieved by the homeowner, and the squirrel says, I'm going to take my opportunity right here. Oh. And he's able to sneak out of the box. I don't know what that is, Domino's. I don't know who the pizza place is here. He's able to sneak the slices. Right, he opens the box. The squirrel's a genius. He opens the box. He said, I'm going to have pizza for dinner. Thank you for the contactless delivery.
I don't even have to pay.
Oh, you have to pay for it. Now, he's not the first, obviously. We have the world famous pizza rat.
Oh, yeah.
In the New York City subway. But my question for you, Will, is you do the contactless delivery. Okay, you get the at-home food. It's sitting out front in your house. There's the pizza rat. He's world famous. How many views did he do? 11 million? What is that?
Yeah, 11 million.
11 million views the pizza rat did. I don't think there'll ever be another pizza rat. But the New Jersey squirrel is going to take his best crack at it. But my question for you is, you do the order. You've got the pizza. It's sitting there. You go out, you're starving. And you catch the squirrel in the act of eating your pizza. You have 3 pizzas there. He's gotten into one of the pizzas. First of all, how do you react immediately?
Well, he's already eating one, right?
Yes, he's eating one.
Well,
what do you do immediately?
I'll shoo him away.
You shoo him away.
But if there's one pizza that's already ruined, I would probably just give it out, throw it on the lawn. Because it's already ruined.
I don't know. If you're throwing a pizza on the lawn, you're going to attract every squirrel in the neighborhood now. They're going to think they're going to keep coming back to you.
Hey, man, squirrels are hungry.
But you're going to have a squirrel party every time you order pizza now.
Yeah, they're smart. They'll come back.
Yeah, they'll come back for it.
It's the Pizza Hut.
They don't forget where they got fed.
That's true. I mean, yeah, I don't know. Maybe give it like a little piece so that you could finish it off.
Oh, you're the squirrel man now. you're the squirrel guy. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what this person did. All I know is that they called the delivery service and they were awarded another pizza, no questions asked. I believe.
Yeah, they have proof.
It was Grubhub. Apparently, Grubhub didn't even ask questions. They just said, yeah, okay, you can throw out the pizza and get another one. But I was just thinking to myself, what is the protocol here? What do you do? It's not anyone's fault. It's not the pizza place's fault. Yeah. It's not the delivery service's fault. It's kind of a bizarre situation to find yourself.
You still have 2 pizzas.
You still have 2 pizzas. It looks like it's 3 total. But do you think the squirrel contaminated those? Are you confident? This person has a video clip, but I'm saying you find the thing and you don't have a video clip. So you don't know if the squirrel's been in the other boxes.
Yeah, I'm done for. I would probably have to talk to Grubhub.
You would also talk to Grubhub. Yeah. I think that's a fair way to go about it. Or you could just throw all the pizzas on your lawn.